Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a blinking cursor animation inside of DaVinci Resolve 21. I've already showed you how you can create a typewriter animation in the previous video, but I got some comments regarding how to create a blinking cursor along with the typewriter animation. Now if you haven't seen the previous video on how you can create a typewriter animation, then you can watch that video first and then you can continue watching this video. Once you create the typewriter animation, then all you have to do is go to the modifiers over here, and we have this cursor show checkbox which we can toggle on and off. So what we can do is we can right click on it and click on expression, and we will just paste this simple expression in the expression field. Now if you check the animation, you can see that we have this blinking cursor going on. Now if you want to speed up or slow down the blinking, then you can change this value over here, and this value will depend on the frame rate that you're working on. I'm currently working on a 60 fps timeline, so that's why I have to set this to 20. But if you're maybe running on a 24 fps timeline or 30 fps timeline, maybe you'll have to use a smaller value than this. But feel free to change this value over here. Right now it's at 20, but you can set this to something like 10 over here and see how that looks. So you can see the blinking is fast. So yeah, you can modify that, and now you can see the text shifts with the blinking. So to fix this, we can go to tools over here and set the horizontal anchor to left, and then we can play the animation. You can see that it does not shift the text, but we need to reposition the text in the center. So for that, we'll go to the layout and change the center X value and bring it back in the center. Enable guides and enable the center option over here. So it'll sort of help you align the text in the center. So yeah, there you have it. That's how easy it is to create a typewriter animation with blinking cursor. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one.